Hello, I'm John and welcome to Go Mobility, Ireland's leading mobility provider. Hello, my name is John. Welcome to Go Mobility. Today we're going to be looking at the new Pride GoGo Compact portable mobility scooter. Great new design, folds in less than 10 seconds and can go into almost any car boot. I'm going to give a quick overview of how it folds and show you in the video. So I'll start by removing this basket that comes with the scooter. It can be used for your shopping, has a little strap, very convenient, nice and handy. Then to fold the scooter, just at the back here we have a little lever, and as simple as that, push down, hold the yellow lever here and fold it backwards, 2 armrests. And now we have a completely folded scooter. And as you can see, not only does it fold down, but it folds in. So this will fit in almost any car. Again, to unfold it, as simple as it was to fold it, we just press the lever, armrest comes up, pull the seat, and it locks into position. Now you have your fully functional scooter. The battery is a lithium battery, which is in the floor of the scooter. Very simple to take out, nice and light. Airline compliant, which means you can carry this and travel with this on nearly all airlines. Quick to charge. Your range on this scooter is approximately 16 kilometers. The speed of the scooter is about 4 miles an hour. The user weight is 21.9 stone. The charging time on a battery, like lithium batteries, charge extremely quickly, so you can charge this battery from flat to full in about 4 to 5 hours. This machine comes with nice features. It's a new technology, as I said. You no longer have a key, you have a very exclusive little card that once it's tapped onto the machine, will turn the machine off and on. This machine also comes with cruise control, voice activation. You can switch, if you're right-handed or left-handed, you can switch which is your predominant hand on the drive. So the new GoGo Compact comes in 3 colours. As you can see, this one here is the white model. This one here is the mint green, and it also comes in a black. So everything that you see white or green on these is black on the black model. You have a lovely digital display here. That's very simple to use. Simply to turn the machine on, you have a button here, you press and hold, and you'll hear the machine coming on. Simply get your card and tap it off the scooter, and it's ready to go. You have a nice lighting system and a horn. So this is your lights here, your front LEDs, and again at the back, if you come around to the back, you'll see rear LEDs. So if you're out in the evening, people can see you from a distance, nice and safe. This also has an app that you can download to your phone. This will show you your battery life, what's left on your battery. You can change your security settings, so if somebody wants to tamper with your machine, the alarm will go off. If you've forgotten to put this machine into drive, the machine talks to you. So no more silly beeping, you actually have voice commands.
Brake unlocked.
Like so.
Please engage it before riding.
Again, you can re-engage it, it's ready to go. If you're going up a hill and it's too steep, the scooter will tell you.
Steep slope detected. Speed reduced for safety. Steep slope. Please get off and push the scooter.
So as you can see, they've thought of everything with this scooter. It's probably one of the nicest ones. I'm doing scooters a long time. It's probably one of the nicest and simplest machines to fold. So that's the GoGo Compact. At the minute we have a Black Friday sale on this. This machine normally retails at $3,250 and we have it at the moment, limited stock, for $2,850. Give us a call on 01 866 3366 or email us on info@gomobility.ie. Thanks for watching.